this way. This is the easier way more than that way.
Yeah.
I don't know where this goes.
Oh, there's another tree.
Well, we can go over it. Actually, they cut it.
What's that? They cut a step out of it.
They cut a step out of it, Mommy.
I see that.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, handy.
Yeah.
That.
I think we're actually going on the trail. Do you think, Daddy?